Hi all, today I want to show you how to replace a prong with another prong, or to replace an object with a prong. This is, for example, the prong I want, the shape I want. I have here, you can insert this one, you can insert this one, as you want. This one, for example, so we can see with a very different shape. Okay, we want to transform this one in one of these two. Go to transform, left click on this command here, prongs from surfaces, polysurfaces and target. Select polysurface to change this one, press enter or right click in the mouse. Select one prong, so or this or this. I want first this. Then different options, so you can scale, you can use prong base or delete the original. I know, so I can transform in the other one. Enter. Reverse, no, I don't want to reverse, and here I have this one. Okay, now I want to transform this one in this one. I do the same. This I want to transform, enter, select one prong. Now delete original. Yes, I don't need to take this. Okay, perfect. Thank you very much.